Hi friends, for today's recipe we are going to use a vegetable which is low in calorie and has zero fat. Yes, we are talking about capsicum. Green capsicum are very good for eyes. It helps to lower the blood pressure and control our cholesterol level. And capsicum is considered a medicine for several digestion related problems. Capsicum are actually fruit but are mostly prepared as vegetable. Today we are going to make a vegetarian dish, stuffed capsicum. And till now, if you did not subscribe my channel, so please subscribe my channel. And what we need, only some potatoes, green capsicum, cottage cheese which is called paneer, some spices, oil, salt, onion, ginger, green chili. All the items you can see on my screen. Let's start now. So first of all we have to boil these potatoes in a pressure cooker, and once we boil these potatoes, so then we have to remove the skin of the potatoes once it is cooled down after that. And this potato will be used as a main filling material, and we will mash the paneer which is cottage cheese. So this potato, cottage cheese means paneer, and spices, and this whatever we have listed which you have seen on earlier screen, all this we will mix together, and that will be used as a filling material for stuffing. Now it's time to make our capsicum ready for stuffing. And to make the capsicum ready, we need to take out all the seeds. And while doing this, we need to be very careful because knife will be sharp. So nothing to make hurry, easily, but it can be taken out. You can see now easily these seeds can be taken out. And after removing the seeds, you can see that this capsicum will look like this. Now it's ready for stuffing. Similar way we need to repeat the process for all the capsicums. And once all the capsicums are ready for stuffing, before going for stuffing, it's better to keep these capsicums for 2 minutes in microwave, so that it will not take much time for further cooking. But never mind, if you don't have microwave, then directly you can do the stuffing, and after that we can follow the further cooking process. So this step is just to save the time until our capsicums are in microwave. So by that time we can grate the paneer, and we can chop this onion, ginger, and green chilies. So by that time our capsicum will be ready in the microwave. To make our stuffing more tastier, we need to do a little more. We will take some oil, and once oil is hot, then we need to add this chopped onion, ginger, garlic, and chili. After 2 minutes, we can add potato, our grated paneer, and spices, and then we have to mix properly. And after mixing, we can see when we are mixing it, so slowly it will turn golden brown, and it will take around 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes we can turn off the flame, and then our material is ready for stuffing. now we reach to the final stage. We need to take a pan, and in that we will keep this stuffed capsicum, and we need to keep the flame medium only. After placing all this stuffed capsicum in the pan, then we will sprinkle the oil over that. After that we have to cover it, then leave it for 2 minutes on medium flame, and after 2 minutes you can open and just you can see it's start becoming golden brown on one side. Then you have to turn it on other side and again cover it. Then this total process, it will take around 20 minutes. Means in between you have to turn each side, other side, all the capsicums, and in complete 20 minutes you will see that this capsicum turns golden brown, and after that it's ready. This stuffed capsicum you can enjoy as a main course with any bread of your choice. I hope that you have enjoyed this video, and definitely you will like this, and you will surely try this recipe at your home. I request for your comments so that we can make the further contents according to your expectation. Thanks for watching. See you again. Please subscribe my channel and follow us. Thank you.